school prime factorization method, finding the LCD of two different numbers. So here we've got 4 and 3. What we're going to do is do the prime factorization. 4 becomes 2 times 2, so that's 2 squared. We're going to write it like that. 3 is just 3 and 1. Actually, there's really no prime factorization, so that's just 3 to the first. What we do is take the highest power we see of each of the separate numbers. That's going to be 2 squared times 3, which is 4 times 3, which is 12. That's the LCD of 4 and 3. Let's try it with 6 and 8. We'll get a slightly different take on this. So we do 6 and we get, oh, that's 2 times 3. So that's going to be 2 to the 1 times 3 to the 1. You don't have to put these exponents here because they're ones, but hey, I just want to give ones some love right now. Then we go with 8, and that's 2, and that's 4 there, and then that can be further factored into 2 and 2. So that's going to become 2 cubed. So what we do, again, like I said, we're taking the highest power of each. It looks like of the 2's, 3 is the highest power. So we're going to go 2 to the third, right? Because this is the highest power of the 2's. Then we look at the 3's and we're like, oh, we only have 3 to the 1. That's the highest power there. So it's going to be 2 cubed times 3 to the first. 2 cubed is 8, and then times 3, that's going to be 24. That's the LCD, the official old school method. Next, we try 14 and 21. We're going to prime factorization, or to the prime factorization of 14, sorry. That's going to be 2 and 7, so that's going to be 2 to the first times 7 to the first. 21, let's do that. That's going to be 3 and 7, so that's going to be 3 times 7 to the first. So again, we go through the numbers. Highest power of 2. Oh, 3 to the first. I didn't write that. It's going to be 2 to the first times, oh, look like 3. The highest power there is 3 to the first. Highest power of 7 is 7 to the first. 2 times 3 is 6. That's going to be 6, times 7, which is 42. And that's the LCD of 14 and 21. Even if you have larger numbers or even larger sets of numbers, like say 3 or more, you can use the same basic method. And just remember, take the highest power of each prime factor that you see. Good luck, guys.